There was a bad storm yesterday. It was damn. I wonder where this root came from. I'm trying to figure out where it came from. Probably up there somewhere. Trying to see where it snapped. Cause one of these damn branches snapped. And oh, there it goes. It's down. This Dayton tornado was worse, bro. You need to see this. I mean, it split that tree. That tree is dead. Oh my God. Then there's another one. I don't know how to explain this. I don't know what type of weather this is, but this is normal. This is not normal. I don't live here. I'm visiting my grandmother. I'm staying here for like maybe 3 days. So I'll be going back to Busch Gardens in like maybe 5 days. So yeah, shocking, ain't it? It's just shocking. I mean, just look at it. I mean, this thing was just ripped clean. I mean, there's a little point here. Oh my God, you can see everything that was in this tree. I think it was dying anyways. Oh my God, y'all. I mean, this weather is not normal. Like, Ohio has never had this weather. I mean, Ohio has had tornadoes in the past, like the Xenia tornado, where my grandfather, which he's dead now, but he hid under a deck and he survived. He was lucky. I mean, but I've never seen nothing like this before. Nothing. Oh my God, if you guys check over here, if you look up ahead, this damn tree was snapped. It broke the fence. It just completely broke that steel fence in half. What kind of weather is this, y'all? Oh my God. Oh. You guys can just see this. My God, the steel fence is just broke. Just completely broke. This could be this. You guys never try this at home. I could be doing something dangerous. Don't ever get on a broken tree. This could be dangerous. Just never ever do it. Don't try it at home. I'm the professional. Oh my God. I mean, if I fall, that's gonna be bad. Look at this, bro. And right there, up in the head, you can see a tree in distance. I'm just about to jump off before I fall. We got trees everywhere, but I mean, this base. I mean, look at that big tree. I mean, everything's just messed up. I heard that they're supposed to have another freaking storm. There's another dude recording. He probably can't believe this is happening, bro. Oh my God. How the hell does 100 miles per hour wind does that shit? You gotta be kidding me. I'm about to run out of battery soon, but this is the footage. I'll maybe do a part 2. But you know, this might just wrap up the video for a little bit. Things messed up.
When I was 8 years old, that tree was big standing there. That's how old that tree is.
Yeah, it's cool. Grows a little bit. I can't believe that. I think we had a tornado, yeah. Not around here, but it was around Beaver Creek.
Oh, yeah.
We probably got the effects of it. That's what it was. At least we didn't get the real tornado. All right, thank you, sir. That is a 58-year-old tree. Oh my God. God, what the hell? Doing this area. I mean, I'm just riding my bike right now. I mean, you have the street names that are covered. I mean, you got types of stuff that is just covered. You saw me climbing that fence. That fence was broken. I mean, broke. That fence was just broken. That tree just crushed that fence. Just broke it in half. I think lightning struck this tree. Is probably what it was. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. I think the roots came out. That's what it means when, oh my God. Look at these roots. Oh my God. The roots of the tree just came out the ground. This is something else. This is goddamn something else. I gotta get up out of here too, because I need to go home. Because another storm could happen. I mean, just look at that branch. We got shredded tree everywhere. Just debris everywhere. I mean, at least a tornado wasn't around here. All we felt, all my grandmother felt was just the wind. That was it. The trees were not down. At least any houses weren't torn down. Because that would have probably cost billions, and that would have probably cost thousands of dollars to repair this stuff. I just can't believe it. I wonder how long it's gonna take to clean this up. I can't believe this, yo. Ohio is just something else. Look, I wish I was living in Florida right now. I'm just gonna let you guys see the other side. Because you guys really need to see the other side. Right, bro. Oh God, I gotta see this stuff. Oh God. That shit too risky, you know. I ain't trying to fall. I mean, we got this here. You gotta see the aftermath. You know, you guys know I'm gonna do a part 2 video. I'm gonna try and do a part 2. Look at this pole. Look at this telephone pole. Oh my God, look at this telephone pole. It is on the freaking ground. What the hell? It is on the ground. Oh my God, look at these wires, y'all. I don't even know if I want to stay up here anymore. I want to move. Oh, I really want to move right now. So today's my birthday. I've uploaded a few roller coaster videos. If anybody's new to my channel, this is just devastating. I mean, I'm in the alley. There's a truck, there's a truck, there's a truck. Look at this tree. Structure. This is the structure. Through the ground. Dude, I could just get. There are the trucks right there. The trucks are right there. The base just got hit hard for some reason. Something about the base just got hit hard. Oh, that's a little jackrabbit, huh? At least that's joyful to see these days. Ooh. I don't want to hit your car. I don't want to get sued. Just looking at this stuff. Basically, for this phone goes on. Alright, y'all. This video is about to run out soon. So I just better quit all this talking and stuff. I mean, I think that's it for my video. It's like, what the hell? It's like, what the hell? One fucking question. Oh my God. Man, the base is in worse shape. Base is in bad shape, bro. The base is just in bad shape. Oh my God. Oh, God. Okay, I need to get over this. Oh my God. Alright, yo. My phone is probably only on like 9% right now. So I'm just about to wrap the video. Oh my God, the base got messed up. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. The base has got messed up big time. Oh my God. Oh my God, bruh, look at that garage. Yo, look at the garage. Oh my God, that tree must have hit the garage. Oh my God, that tree just hit the garage, yo. I probably got like, my phone's probably on 7%. Oh my God, look at that garage. This tree must have hit the garage. So, I mean, oh God. Strong ass debris. I mean, Jesus. And there's another route that was just pulled out. You know, I should probably just stay away from this area. I'm not going too far. This area's blocked off. I'm ending the video. I'm trying to cross the road. Wait my turn. Cross the road. So I ain't trying to get hit by no car. If you trying to get hit by no car, bad luck is happening. I ain't trying to get hit by a damn car. I guess this is probably where it's gonna be ending because my battery's almost out. I mean, I hope my friends Corinne and everybody else is okay. Shit. See the effects for myself. Oh my God, look at all that roofing that just came out.